Want to reset your Android phone but don't want to lose your photos, videos, and important stuff? Here's a quick way to safely factory reset without losing your files. Firstly, you'll need to back up your data. So, launch Settings, then navigate to Google, head over to the option Backup. Now enable for the option Backup using mobile or Wi-Fi data. Once we have backed up all of your data, you can head back. If you have an SD card, you can remove it before the reset to keep files untouched. Now scroll all the way down, click on the option About Phone. Then scroll down, head over to the option Reset. Now scroll down, you're gonna find several options over here. Click on the option Factory Data Reset. All these data will be deleted, including your Google account, system and app data settings, all of these options mentioned over here. Now scroll all the way down and click on Reset and go through the process. With that, your phone will be factory reset. And that's it, a clean Android phone without losing your important files. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.